Thanks Nest Ess for sponsoring this video. Making restaurant quality fried rice at home takes less than 20 minutes. The real challenge? Keeping it hot, fresh, and full of flavor when you serve it to a crowd. Today, we make a delicious, easy fried rice. Then, I will show you how to keep it perfectly warm for hours using the Nest Ess Chafing Dish. Let's get cooking! First, chop your vegetables. Beat 3 eggs and measure your sauces. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Pour in your beaten eggs, scramble them fast, and slide them onto a plate. Next, add a little more oil to the hot pan. Toss in half a cup of diced onion and a cup of mixed vegetables. Cook them for about 3 minutes until the onions turn soft. Toss in 4 cloves of minced garlic and let it cook for 30 seconds until your kitchen smells amazing. Add 3 cups of rice to the pan. Use your spatula to break up the clumps. Press the rice flat against the bottom of the pan to toast it. Stir every 30 seconds for about 3 minutes. Now, pour in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir constantly so the sauce coats every grain. Add your scrambled eggs back in. Drizzle a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil over the top and toss it all together. Top it up with sliced green onions. The rice looks and smells incredible. Now, we want to keep it that way for our guests. Forget those cold, industrial metal trays and messy water pans. This is the Nest Ess Chafing Dish. It draws inspiration from premium Dutch ovens. The food pan uses a thick 2mm enamel design. Because the enamel holds heat so well, it heats gently and cools very slowly. You don't need a water pan at all. Just turn on the heat source and your food stays warm, moist, and flavorful for up to 8 hours. Plus, the sealed glass lid features a silicone edge. It locks the heat and moisture inside. Your fried rice will not dry out. Nest Ess uses food-safe glazes with 0 toxins, so you never get that weird metallic aftertaste you find with cheap steel warmers. It naturally resists sticking, which makes easy cleanup, and it looks absolutely beautiful on your table. From the first guest to the last bite, your cooking stays impressive. You deserve a better way to share food with the people you love. Grab the full fried rice recipe in the description below. If you want to elevate your next dinner party, click the link to get your own Nest Ess Chafing Dish set. Thanks for watching. Bye!